In our previous Chronicle, we examined the silence between Genesis 1:1 and Genesis 1:2. The answer ultimately rests upon two ancient Hebrew words. The words translated into English as without form and void. These words appear in Genesis chapter 1 verse 2. And the earth was without form and void. For many readers, the phrase simply describes an unfinished creation awaiting order. For others, the language suggests something more. The first word is tohu. Most English translations render it as without form, yet the word carries a broader range of meaning. Waste, desolation, emptiness, wilderness, that which lacks order or purpose. The second word is bohu, often translated void, a term associated with emptiness, vacancy, the absence of inhabitable order. Together, these words describe a condition rather than an object. Genesis is not telling us what the earth was. It is describing the state in which the earth existed. One reason these words attract attention is because of a passage found in Isaiah. He created it not in vain. The phrase translated vain is the Hebrew word tohu, the same word found in Genesis chapter 1 verse 2. Some interpreters conclude Genesis describes an unfinished creation awaiting order. Others believe the language suggests a condition that emerged afterward. The verse does not settle the debate. It explains why the debate exists. Another important passage appears in Jeremiah. I beheld the earth, and lo, it was without form and void. The language is unmistakable. Tohu and bohu appear together again. Jeremiah is not describing creation. He is describing judgment, a picture of order collapsing into desolation. This does not prove that Genesis describes judgment, but it does establish an important connection. Perhaps the most important observation is this. Tohu and bohu are descriptive words. They tell us the condition of the earth. They do not tell us how the earth reached that condition. The words raise questions. They do not answer them. Whether one interprets that condition as unfinished creation, judgment, or something else entirely, the discussion begins with the words themselves. Words matter, especially in the opening chapter of the Bible. Before we can ask whether the earth became tohu and bohu, we must first ask a simpler question. Could God have created the earth in such a condition? That question leads directly into our next chronicle.